All right, everybody. It is Thursday. It is time for lesson 1-5, and that is on problem-solving strategies. This is something that you might have done before. It might be something that you're not so good at, and that's okay. Problem-solving is something that we have to develop over time. Problem-solving is also not something where I can say, when you're in this situation, you use this problem-solving strategy. Because everybody's brain is different. Everybody's going to want to use different problem-solving strategies.
Once again, buses 31, 32, 48, 18, 33, 36, 39, 41, 42, 43, 45, and 47 are here. And bus 32 students are riding bus 43 today.
Okay, so we can look for pattern. You guys know what patterns are. You guys start that in kindergarten. You can guess and check. Sometimes we just have to guess and check. That can come in handy on multiple choice problems. Okay, if there's a lot of work to do, guess and check. Choose one of the answer choices. Plug it in. If it works, great. If not, try the next answer option. Okay? Is that the only time to use that one? No. But that one can come in handy a lot then. You can also make tables. I will tell you, I love tables. Excel and I, we are best friends, okay? Make a table.
Nathan Irick, come to the front office, please. Nathan Irick, to the front office, please.
The other thing that you can do is work backwards. Start with the answer and figure out what the problem might be.
Bus riders, again, buses 31, 32, 48, 18, 33, 36, 39, 41, 42, 43, 45, and 47 are here.
If you left just now because your bus was cold, you have earned yourself that lack of hero point for the day, okay? So, sometimes working backwards, if you know how much money you have at the end and you're trying to figure out how much you had to start with, sometimes that can help, all right? Problem solving is something that, yeah, we can go through and we can spend hours talking about each problem solving strategy. But in the end, you need to choose what's best for you. You need to be able, and you need to figure out which ones you like when. I can't do that for you. I'm not inside your head. And what works for me might not be what you like. That's okay. As long as you find a way to solve the problem, it really doesn't matter how. Okay? Those are just some strategies that you can use. You might have been taught others. That's okay too. Choose a strategy that you can use to solve the problem. Okay? All right, guys. Tomorrow, you're not going to have a video from me. Tomorrow, you are going to be taking a Linkit test. In the past, you took MAP testing. Well, we decided that we're not going to use MAP anymore because MAP isn't based on our standards. Okay? So, you might have learned all kinds of stuff that wasn't on there. Or based on your grade band, you might have been asked things that we hadn't gone over yet or that weren't in our grade level. So we're not going to use MAP anymore. We're going to use Linkit. You're going to take that test. As far as I know, that is not for a grade. But I use that to see where you're at based on all of our standards so that I know where we can go from there. Okay? All right, again. Make sure that you have any work that needs to be graded, whether it was classwork, whether it was a completion grade, whether it was a Miss Blum grade, make sure that it is all in by the time that I get here on Friday, 6th period.
Students
Bye,
to
guys.
ride bus 36 and 47